Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by assembling only the essentials so the build moves fast. Combine the shell, flippers, beak, and internal frame right away. Align the frame to the shell and clamp. Once done, secure joints with the chosen fasteners and apply minimal glue where pieces meet so seams stay tight. Make sure to pre-cut fabric and have the sewing kit reachable. You do this to avoid pauses later. Steady rhythm now prevents mistakes and keeps dimensions consistent as you begin shaping. You continue by fixing the internal frame securely to the shell, checking symmetry and aiming for 1/2 centimeter tolerances so balance is predictable. Next, mount flippers and beak, inserting small cross braces to prevent wobble, tight but not stressed. Once the main parts are fixed, wrap the fabric snugly and stitch along the seams, leaving a small access hatch for later adjustments and padding. Make sure to probe moving parts through the hatch before sealing. This preserves mobility and fixes fit issues early. You finish by closing the access hatch and inserting final padding to smooth contours and protect joints. Add cosmetic touches last so they stay clean. Once assembled, run movement tests. Tilt the body, flap the appendages, and perform weight balance checks to confirm stable posture. If something binds or leans, loosen the nearby joint, red item after repositioning, and rebalance using small 5 to 10 gram weights where necessary. This single troubleshooting tip. Adjust then rebalance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.